Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, got me one of those EXB Mojave. It's our full option roller. Got it from JJ Customs when Horizon was having that sale, and JJ Customs had the walk-in. You had to walk in to get it, to get the price. So you had to go through them and order it, or if you had it in stock, you could have it then. He happened to have this one in stock, so I picked it up. This is the outside of the box. So turn that sideways for you, bam. So that's it. We're just gonna do a quick unboxing. I'm gonna get it out of the box and show you what it looks like. All right, bam, there it is. So this is what you get in the box. You get, of course, your shock pistons or your shock pieces, your tool bag, and that's it. There's not much in this one, guys. A couple screws in here, probably for the servo. I thought maybe it gave you a pinion, but it doesn't even give you a pinion. So I did pick up a couple pinions. Let's see if we can get this open real quick. Sorry, I don't have you on the tripod. I'll put you over there on the bench here in a minute. Just wanted to unbox this on the table, a little more room. So yeah, it just gives you the tools. You definitely need this one right here. It's for the hubs, for the inside, because I believe it's like a 5 or something, a 4 or 5. And then it comes with the other little 2 cool screws, so cool. It does come with the shims. Make sure you guys check that. Yeah, so 4 shims usually. It does come with some screws. Don't know what those are for. Like I said, they looks like something. And then all the little shock. So you can change them out. Some are thick, some are small, some got more holes than others. Of course, your stickers. And then your exploded view in here is going to be in this one, because it doesn't come with any electronics on this one. So it's just going to be an exploded view and tell you about what's in the diffs, how to take them apart. Okay, you can look this up on Horizon's website. Also, A-Main's website will have the book on there too, so you can use the computer. But look at this bad boy. Yeah, I've wanted one of these for a while. I've been holding off till I could afford it. It went on sale, so I grabbed one up. So yeah, this thing is awesome, guys. It's got the little driver inside, both of them. Nice rims. They say this rim right here, that tire comes off all the time, so you got to make sure you check it every time you run. Tighten it up. I'm gonna throw some Loctites on it. I'm also gonna rip the diffs out. Make sure they have some grease on them. Yeah, it looks good, guys. I was never into the short course looking trucks, but lately I have been. Since I've been driving the 2-wheel drive Slash, I've been having a little more fun. There's Velcro on the sides of this, which I hear just come off all the time because they're just glued on there. So those will fall off probably. They look like they feel like there should be screwed on there somehow, but yeah, look at this bad boy. Woohoo. So there's that. Be able to put a nice motor in there. We got a SpeedTek RC servo for in there. We'll have to go through and tighten everything up. We'll have to find something to stuff in here. They say these break. A little hard bashing, you know. These seem to break off. So a couple guys out there have done nice things. Yeah, see a fit in here. I'll have to probably double side tape bars in there. I got a maxx 6 coming. Or actually I have it already. So we're gonna do an install video with that. Do a couple videos with this. Get it all ready. So stay tuned, guys. Appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and hit that bell so you can see the build video on this. Gonna definitely be 6S basher. I don't like where this one's at. I'm probably gonna move the strap up here, I think, or something. I don't like where that one's at, but EXB, wrench, bash, repeat. So looks cool, guys. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and have a great day.